Okay, good day. So in this video, you're going to learn how to determine the maximum and minimum values of the function. Ganun din, malatutunan nyo rin ang pagkuha ng maximum and minimum point of a function. Dun sa previous videos natin, natutunan nyo doon yung topic about increasing and decreasing functions. At pwede nating ma-graph ang ating function gamit yung concept na yon because the sign of the derivative plays an important role kung ang ating function f of x is increasing or decreasing. And if the first derivative of the function is equal to 0, ibig sabihin lang nun, yung ating tangent line is parallel to x-axis. Now, let's say we have here a function y equals f of x, and let's say that f of x is continuous, walang putol, for all domain of x, in all values of x, in other words. Okay? So, ito yung equivalent graph of the function. And if we're going to analyze the function based sa mga points na nakalagay between A and B, okay? Between A and B. Between A and B, increasing siya. Okay? Ibig sabihin, f prime of x is greater than 0. Increasing. Okay? Pero dun sa point B at B, ang slope ng ating tangent line doon is equal to 0. O f prime of x is equal to 0. And then between B and C, papansin mo, decreasing siya doon. Kapag decreasing siya doon, ibig sabihin, ang slope niya doon is less than 0 or the first derivative is less than 0. So, increasing or the slope is positive, and then the slope is 0, then the slope is negative. So, mapapansin nyo, yung ating point B, siya ang pinakamataas sa lahat ng parte ng ating function. So, ibig sabihin, siya yung maximum. Okay? Siya yung maximum. Therefore, point B is a maximum point. Okay? Maximum point sa mga katabi niyang points nung dinaanan ng ating function f of x. Okay? Yung ating x value niya, siya yung critical value. At yung ating maximum value of the function is f of b. Ito yung maximum value of the function. Okay. Yan. So, anong papansin natin? Ulitin natin. Kapag ganito ang magiging trend of the slope of the tangent line, positive, 0, negative, yung point na yon is the maximum point. And the maximum value of the function is f of b. Ibig sabihin, kung ang ordered pair nito, if the interval, if the point o the abscissa o the critical value is at point B, ibig sabihin, substitute B to X and that will be the maximum value of the function, which is the vertical distance of that point from the x-axis. Ito yung max point, the measurement of that point to x-axis. Yun yung max value of the function. Now, dito naman, between B and C, okay, papansin natin yung ating first derivative doon, negative. Okay? Or less than 0. Or decreasing. Then, pagdating naman sa point C, okay, gawin natin to. At C, ang ating first derivative dyan, 0. Kasi ang ating tangent line is parallel to x-axis. And then between C and D, ang ating slope naman dyan is positive or greater than 0. So pag ganyan ang behavior of the graph of the function, dito, negative ang slope, dito, 0, and then greater than 0 or positive, itong point na to, tatawagin natin minimum point. Okay? Point C is minimum. A minimum point. At yung makukuha nating f of C doon, yung ating minimum value of the function. Okay. Review. So dito, negative slope, 0. Positive slope. That point is a minimum point. Dito sa isa, positive ang slope, 0. Negative slope, that is the maximum point. Okay. Siya yung pinakamataas sa lahat ng neighboring parts or points of the function. At ito naman yung pinakamababang point na dadaanan ng ating function. So that is the maximum and minimum values of the function. By the way, f of b is a maximum value, f of c is the minimum value. Kasi yung mga values of x na yun, mga critical values. Okay? And if you solve f of b and f of c, that will be the vertical distance of that point from the x-axis. At yun ang magiging maximum and minimum values of a function. Okay. Now, I'm going to discuss the summary of this discussion, and this will fall down to the topic about first derivative test. I'm going to discuss this dun sa ating next video. Thank you.